Hey there, let's look into the question for this video. So we have got the employee table with 4 columns: ID, name, reports to, and age. So reports to has the information of the manager. So what I mean to say is that Priya is reporting to manager or the employee with the ID 1. So Priya is reporting to Rajesh. Amit is also reporting to Rajesh. Neha is reporting to Priya. Suresh is also reporting to Priya, and so on and so forth. So what we have to do is we have to find the managers with report count. So first you have to find that who all are the managers. So all the employee IDs which are present in this column are the managers. Makes sense, right? So we have got one, two, three. So we have got one, two, three manager. Okay. Now one is who? Rajesh. Two is Priya. Three is Amit. Then what we have to do is we have to find managers then with report count. Now, what's a report count? So, what does that mean? That Rajesh is reported by whom all? So, Rajesh, you can see, is reported by Priya and Amit. So, what's the count? It's two. Priya is reported by Neha and Suresh. So, Neha and Suresh are reporting to Priya. So, the count is two, and so on and so forth. Okay. The last thing that we have to find is average report age. If I talk about Rajesh, Rajesh is being reported by Priya and Amit. So what's the average or age of Priya and Amit? Yeah, it's 41. So that's the expected output in this column. Okay, we have to find the average age of the reports. So I'll give you a hint. You can solve this question with the help of self-join. So why don't you pause the video and try the solution by yourself? Okay, now in order to solve this question, what we are going to do is we are going to join the table, employee table to itself on employee ID and report to column. So what I mean to say is what I want is that, okay, Rajesh, yeah, Rajesh is reported by whom? So there will be a join table over here, okay? And here I have the information of the employees who are reporting to Rajesh. So Priya. Again, Amit reports to Rajesh. So here I'll again have this row and then I'll have the information of Amit. So what I mean to say is that we are going to have the output like this. So you can see here that we have done a self join. So on the employee ID and report to column. Okay. So you can see over here that Rajesh is reported by Priya and Amit. Priya is reported by Neha and Suresh, and Amit is reported by Kiran. So if you can find out that you have to join the table and you have to join the table in this way, the rest of the steps becomes very easy. So here again I'm repeating, we are joining the table by itself so that we can get the information of all the managers and all the reportees. As simple as that. Okay, Rajesh reported by Priya, Rajesh reported by Amit, Priya reported by Neha, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's quickly look into the solution of same. Here you can see I've created the employee table. I've inserted the data. I'll provide you the code in the description of the video. Okay, now the first thing that I'm doing is I'm joining the two table on the employee ID and the report to column. So let me quickly show you the output. Okay, you can see that we have got this output. Now, once you have the join table, the rest of the things are pretty straightforward. So what you have to do is you have to find the count, right? So we are going to group by the employee ID. We are going to group by the employee ID and we are going to find the number of reports. Pretty simple. So let me quickly show it to you. So I'll say group by E dot employee ID. And here I'll give employee ID. And I want to show the name also. So I'll do one thing. I'll also group by name. And then I have to show the count. So count, and I can give a alias to it. Okay, we are good. Let me quickly run this. Awesome, we have got the result. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to find the average age of the report. So in order to do that, we are going to make use of average function. So average, our dot age. Yeah, and we are good. Let me quickly run this. Okay, we have got this. Now I do not want the decimals. What I can do is I can use the float function and I'll pass average age and I'll also give it an alias. Perfect. Let me run this. Okay, so we have got the expected output. So just remember that how efficiently you can make use of self join in order to get the output, the desired output. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next one.